Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Excuse me, I want to introduce myself to you, ma'am. To you, sir. My name is Anulia. I am 39 years old. I come from Cirebon, Java of Indonesia. I'm Muslim and married. I have one children, 10 years old. My weight is 73 kg. My height is 170 cm. My last education is junior high school. I have experience before working in Singapore and in Saudi Arabia. The first in Singapore, 1 year and a half from 2019 until 2021. My job is take care baby newborn, and I do also housekeeping, washing, ironing, and cooking also. I can cook 100 pork, but I not eat pork because I'm Muslim. And the last in Saudi Arabia, 2 years from 2022 until 2024. My job is housekeeping, washing, ironing, and cooking also. I want to go to Hong Kong because I need more money for help my family and my future. I promise working in Hong Kong until finish contract 2 years maybe or more. I'm finished introduce myself to you, ma'am, to you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.